the first year students of BBA LLB of St. Joseph's College of Law. We are here to present a small video signifying the true meaning of Christmas. That is, to bring the greatest happiness to others through love and hope, and to stress the importance of love from family during these celebrations given the unprecedented times. To begin with, opening scene. Pam, a 15-year-old teen, an average student in school who gets along well with everyone around her. Not a student who is likely to cause any trouble. It's the 23rd of December, and it's the last hour before school closes for the Christmas vacations. Everyone is jolly, and they all wish each other a Merry Christmas full of happiness and joy, and go about their own ways. Pam reaches home and greets her parents, who are sitting in the hall and seem to be discussing something important. Pam interrupts them to question them about their plans for the holidays. They respond back with a slight irritation in their tone, and Pam is taken aback by this. She does not take it to heart, but it gets her to thinking as to why they would talk to her that way. Pam's parents are hardworking, who seem to be always busy with their work.
Hey mom, hey dad, all my friends are going out for Christmas. Where are we going?
No. No. See, can't you see we're working here? No, we can't go anywhere today. I have a deadline for tomorrow. Go to your room.
Go to your room and do your work. You're always talking about what your friends are doing.
She goes back into her room and checks her phone to see what her friends are up to. They've posted stories of them and their families spending time together and doing fun activities together. Pam smiles at the pictures and videos and leaves the phone to the side, wondering why she doesn't have a bond with her parents the way her friends do. She ignores this thought from her head and walks back to see what her parents were up to. She strikes up a conversation with them, but they brush her off, saying they were doing something important and could not talk to her right now. She is ordered to go keep herself occupied while they continue to work.
Hi, where are you going for Christmas?
Hey, my parents are taking me to OJ for Christmas and New Year's. And they bought me new dress too. Where are you going?
Oh wow, that's so nice. My family and I are celebrating Christmas at home. Yeah. Okay, bye.
Pam walks back to where her parents were seated and immediately cuts into their conversation. She lets them know about how her friends are spending time with their families, but they're not going out or involving themselves in any fun activities. Her parents turn furious and immediately raise their voice at her for not being understanding enough about their situation and how they're trying to manage the family. Pam loses her cool and shouts back, saying that no one understands her and validates her. The parents just ignore the sentence to not raise any further issues. Pam is left feeling sad again.
Mom, Dad, can we at least buy a Christmas tree?
Look, I already told you once. Why do you keep bothering us like this? See, we're working here and we're working for you. I told you once, please don't make me raise my voice again. Kindly go to your room.
Take 500 rupees and buy it yourself.
Mom, Dad, what are you doing here?
Pam? Merry Christmas, Pam. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for talking to you like that. I was so stressed up with work. Here's a gift for you. Wake up, get dressed up. We have to go. We're taking you out. Alright?
Here's a present for you. Merry Christmas. We shall have a family day out today.
Flashback.
Hey, look at those kids. They are so lucky and happy to receive those gifts from their parents. They are so privileged and are gonna enjoy Christmas. Hope we get something too.
We are lucky and happy too, since we are getting warm clothes and sweater this year. We are so lucky to get these presents this year. I am so happy and I can't wait to celebrate Christmas this year.
This was our small attempt in bringing out the importance of love from our near and dear ones, now more than ever in this joyous occasion of Christmas. We hope that we have added some value to your Christmas. We take your leave, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.